Hello everyone. Uh, Today we are going to talk about the Dr. Rajendra Prasad. We are going to start. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of independent India and one of the most respected leaders in Indian history. He was born on December 3rd, 1884 in Jiradi village in Bihar. A brilliant student from an early age, he pursued higher education in law and earned a doctorate in law from the University of Calcutta. Dr. Prasad was deeply influenced by the Mahatma Gandhi and became an active participant in India's freedom movement. He joined the Indian National Congress and played a key role in the non-cooperation movement and the salt satyagraha. He was imprisoned several times by the British for his involvement in these movements. After India gained independence in 1947, Dr. Prasad was elected as the president of the Constitution uh, Assembly, which was responsible for drafting the Constitution of India. On January 26, 1950, when India became republic, he was unanimously elected as the first president of our country and served as president for two full terms, 1950 to 1962. The only person do so. As President, Dr. Prasad maintained the dignity and the neutrality of his office, working closely with Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Though the past was largely ceremonial, his wisdom and humility earned him great respect across the political spectrum. He was known for his simple lifestyle, integrity, and deep knowledge of Indian culture and philosophy. After retiring in 1962, Dr. Prasad withdrew from public life and settled in Patna, Bihar. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in the same year. He passed away on February 28, 1963. Dr. Prasad's life is a shining example of dedication, service, and patriotism. He remains an inspiration for all Indian, symbolizing the values upon which the nation was built. So, thank you.